Improved 3x operations. In ZW3D 2019, optimized flat finishing, 3x roughing with big steps and ramp operation deliver a more reliable and safer toolpath. More reliable flat finishing. First, let's check the features of the flat region created in the previous version. A lot of regions have been recognized, but actually, some faces are the same face. By checking the toolpath, you can find it is imprecise. Then, let's check the result of the same operation in ZW3D 2019. Create the flat region feature. Pick the part, then the flat regions are identified correctly, only 2 planes. Calculate, then check the toolpath. The toolpath on the plane is very regular. The inclined plane at the top of the model is excluded. In short, feature recognition of flat finish is more precise. More reliable big step in 3x roughing. Now, what you see is a comparison of the toolpath. The green toolpath is created in the 2019 version, and the blue one is from the previous version. Change the view for checking. You will find the step of the green toolpath is larger. Open the parameter form. You can set the step over as 80% of tool diameter. In the new version, the more reliable toolpath is available, even in operations with the big step. Okay, let's look at the solid verify comparison. "3x roughing is more complete in the new version. Safe ramp function to protect cutting head." Next, let's introduce another new improvement. Look at this toolpath in the small region. It's not safe in the bottom. We can set the safe ramp parameter as 80% of the tool diameter. Then, some small areas will be filtered out. The purpose of this parameter is to protect the cutting head. These improvements will deliver a more reliable and safer toolpath in 3x milling.